2001, construction began. The first feature, the outer break wall. The break wall stretches 5.3 kilometers east to west and 5 kilometers north to south. The internal palm shape stretches 3.9 kilometers east to west and 4 kilometers north to south. The break wall runs 11 kilometers and protects the inner elements of the man-made island. Inside water depth is 20 meters, while outside of the break wall, the water depth is 30 meters. $7 million tons of rock was used as the foundations. $120 million tons of sand was brought from the ocean to build the 17 fronds in the shape of a palm. $1,500 villas, 2,500 apartments, with over 78,000 people who live on the palm. Over 1 million tourists and residents visit the palm each year. The palm is home to 27 hotels, including the stunning Atlantis the Palm. Tourist destinations such as the view at the palm, Nakheel Marinas, the palm is connected to Dubai with a 300-meter bridge. This bridge transports over 100,000 cars daily. That is over 1 billion cars a year. The Palm monorail runs the length of the palm, featured with 5 stations connecting key destinations. The palm opened in 2006 with a spectacular fireworks display.